Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to insert an SD card into this laptop. So, first of all, grab a microSD card of yours, then take a look at the right edge of your laptop. Here you'll find the SD card reader. Just insert your SD card gently inside this port, slightly push it like this, and then your laptop will start reading the SD card. We can now check how it goes. Okay. Let's open the file explorer. Now, as you can see, here is the SD card that I just input into my device, and to eject it, you just have to slightly press it inside or push it inside your laptop, and it will jump right back out, and then you can safely remove it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.